Vaibhav Suryawanshi's stunning century of 101 off just 38 balls led Rajasthan Royals to a victory over Gujarat Titans. Former coach Ravi Shastri praised his skills, emphasizing the need for patience as Suryavanshi faces future challenges in his cricket career. The excitement builds as Delhi Capitals take on Kolkata Knight Riders tonight at 7:30 p.m. at Arun Jaitley Stadium. Who will claim victory? Tune in for thrilling action and expert Dream 11 tips for this IPL 2025 clash. In a stunning display, 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi became the youngest player to score 80-20 century, achieving 101 runs off just 35 balls. His remarkable innings helped the Rajasthan Royals secure an 8-wicket victory against the Gujarat Titans, ending their 5-match losing streak. In an incredible display of talent, Vaibhav Suryavanshi scored the fastest century by an Indian in IPL history, reaching 100 runs off just 35 balls. His record-breaking performance led Rajasthan Royals to a swift victory against the Gujarat Titans. 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi has made headlines by scoring the fastest century in IPL history. However, his rise to fame has led to a fake account impersonating him, gaining significant attention before being flagged and suspended on X. The cricket world remains vigilant against such impersonations. In an astonishing display, 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi scored a record-breaking 101 runs off just 38 balls, leading Rajasthan Royals to an 8-wicket victory over Gujarat Titans. This makes him the youngest Indian to score a century in IPL history, achieving the milestone in just 35 balls. In a stunning IPL match, 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi scored the fastest century by an Indian, smashing 101 runs off just 38 balls. His record-breaking innings led Rajasthan Royals to an impressive victory over Gujarat Titans, marking a historic night in cricket. In a stunning IPL performance, 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi scored a record-breaking century of just 35 balls, hitting 11 sixes and 7 fours. His explosive innings led Rajasthan Royals to a swift victory over Gujarat Titans, raising expectations for the young talent's future. The IPL 2025 season is heating up as Royal Challengers Bangalore, led by Virat Kohli, continues to dominate. With standout performances from Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Krunal Pandya, RCB recently triumphed over Delhi Capitals, setting the stage for an exciting playoff race. In a thrilling IPL 2025 match, Virat Kohli's stellar batting propelled RCB to a win over Delhi Capitals. The RCB pace attack, led by Trent Bolt, effectively restricted the Capitals, showcasing their dominance in this high-stakes game.